Hey, hello, how are you today? Today's class is about Unit 1A. We're starting Unit 1. Unit 1 is about performance, right? And in this case, we're going to work on page 13. We are going to deal with the differences between future tenses. You know that we can use different tenses or different expressions to talk about the future. In this case, we have going to future and will future, right? Let's see the differences between them. We use going to talk about plans, intentions, and predictions with evidence, right? What is that prediction with evidence? For example, you see a pregnant woman and you say she's going to have a baby. You can see the evidence and you can make a prediction with that evidence. Okay, we form going to future with the verb to be in a positive or negative, depending if the sentence is affirmative or negative. Going to and the verb in the infinitive. The verb doesn't change, but you cannot forget the verb to be. So have a look at the examples. I am going to travel by boat. You can make a negative with I am not, right? He isn't going to study French. For he, she, or it, we use is or isn't. Are they going to have a baby? For we, you, or they, we use are or aren't if the sentence is negative, right? But always we use the verb to be in the correct form, going to, and the verb in the infinitive. It means that it doesn't change. The difference between going to and will are the uses. We use will to talk about promises, to talk about offers, cuando ofrezco hacer algo por alguien. For example, I will help you. Decisions of the moment, for example, when you're in a restaurant or when you are in a shop and you decide what you're going to eat or what you are going to buy. And predictions, and talking about the future but with no evidence, right? So have a look at my examples. I will buy a shirt. Imagine you're at the clothes shop. We use will and the verb in the infinitive, right? It won't rain today. It is a lovely day. It's a sunny day. You say it won't rain. It's a prediction, right? And here we have got a question. Will you do the homework? Asking for a promise, maybe? So we use in positive sentences will, in negative sentences won't, and in questions will. For all the subjects, it doesn't matter if it is he, she, it, I, we, you, they, it's always the same. And the verb is always in infinitive, it doesn't change. Okay, please stop the video and copy the notes and my examples if you want. Now, on page 13, you're going to do exercise 5 and 6. Exercise 5, complete the sentences with the correct form of will or going to. You have to see if it is a plan, an intention, a prediction with evidence, or if it is a promise, an offer, a decision of the moment, or a prediction. Exercise 6, complete the conversation with the correct form of will or going to. Voy a tratar de enviarles el audio para que puedan hacerlo. Then you go to page 102 and you can do lesson 1A, exercise number 2, right? This topic, instruments and music, we are going to deal with in the Zoom class, so you can wait for that. But exercise 2, lesson 1A, exercise 2, you can do. And from the workbook, you can do pages 8 and 9. Okay, I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, please ask them in the Zoom class. See you in the next class. Goodbye.